Yeah, hi, good evening. Sure, sure. Yeah, hi. Yes, yes, yes. You can audible. Yeah, no problem. Correct, correct. Upper side. Yes, yes, I'm Maharashtrian. Yeah, sure. So I have total 6.5 years experience. So around journey started 2016 after graduation completing. So yeah, basically primary skill is mobile application development and then moving to the MERN stack and full stack. So mainly domain on working is banking and insurance, mainly two sectors, and also the enterprise means e-commerce related create websites. So basically, mobile application for we are using React Native, web application for admin panel also we are using React.js, Tailwind CSS, and backend is we are mostly using Node.js. Node.js inside some another sub framework is Nest.js, and also I'm working on a REST API, Graph, QL API. Also the we are also working on DevOps sites like as a cloud side is Azure, and Azure is very small, not more than experience. So AWS side, so creating instance on Jenkins, Dockers, also the Kubernetes. Yeah, more than working on like as a, a front end side React Native, and around 4 years working on a Node.js side. Yeah, this is overall of this history. Yeah, thank you. Yes, React Native and React JS also the around 6 years almost React Native, around 5 years almost React website. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. 6 years. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, sure. So basically, React Native is creating a cross-platform application. So cross-platform application means like as you writing a JavaScript code, and then there is three bridge available: JS Bridge, and right now recently 2000 React Native community is JSI Bridge. JSI Bridge, and after that the Shadow Bridge. So JSI Bridge means like as a we synchronization all the in C++. So before we are synchronization JSON. This is very complicated and lengthy process. Right now is very good supported new version React Native. So yeah, we are creating cross-platform applications. So you can write in JavaScript or TypeScript. So right now we are using TypeScript. So write a code, single code, and deploy the multiple platform like as your iOS and Android side. Also we can deploy the applications yeah, easy way. And yeah, you saying ki memory optimization. So memory optimization for we are using more than technique. We are using like as a size for we don't using APG. We are using vector SVG images. Also the ProGuards rules. Also the better way. We are more than SDK. We are writing native sidely writing, and we can access the React native side also good way. Yeah, yeah. This also the also the more we using a submodule concept for submodule some feature to similar to access the web and React native, and also the reusable component we can create using our atomic design pattern. Yeah, and unit testing also important for the development. Yeah, like this technology or we are following. And unnecessary component inside a state don't define manage the global level. We can reusable state also using Redux Saga, Redux normal Redux or Mobex state. Yeah, yeah. This is React Native. Mhm. No, I'm using Redux Saga. Redux Thung is also alternative, but right now we are using Mobex state. But before project is we are using Redux Saga. Is middleware like this? Yes, yes, yes. We are using actually Redux Dev tools. Yes, and but right now we are Mobex state. There is also Mobex Dev tools available. We are using. Yes, yes. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, okay. Okay, before also the DevOps tool is also the actions reducer we can display. Okay, some new feature introduced the yeah JS using this tool. Okay, okay. But right now not using, but yeah, before old version we are using. Yes. Profile in React Native. Yeah, optimization for we are using use memo, use callback, and your question is not getting. So you saying ki uh-huh. Virtualization using. Okay, okay. Uh-huh. 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 Okay, sure. I will check. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, use rep means like as your original component to the you can assign the rep specific the component. Then you can access the runtime the properties. Some you have flat list and flat list you runtime you change the some attributes. Then your the like as your variable dot current dot like as you focus on the specific text on. Then you can use a use rep without any render part. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, using forward rep. Yeah, obviously we are using also for music player. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we are mostly combination of the. So combination of the means like as a, we are using React Native, CLI, and also the Expo. So combination uni models we are constantly using. Some packages is not more than using, or some disadvantages decrypt means you saying na some Redux part is some decrypted packages also. There is React Native also some packages decrypted, but Expo is available good pattern or good maintain the repo. Then we are combination of the React Native using, and Expo also the combination of. So yeah, I am working on the video as well as music player, so using a Expo community repos. Yeah, basically your bundle inside. So basically a bundle inside the store your asynchronous storage, but you using a SQLite or realm database, then you storage the internal storage. Okay, you can access the your the external APIs. External, there is .db, you can store on access the any app, or export the out of the bundle, but a synchronous storage is within the bundle you can store. Okay, and iOS side also there is also the bundle inside store, I think. Means like as a index dot there is yeah, index dot compress file also is very important assets folder available android side. Manifest file there is index dot bundle dot js, I think, for file name. Yeah, use effect inside you can write return on the end. Yeah, you can the React Native provide platform. There is property. Then platform.os is equal to Android. You can write a specific platform wise, and iOS, then iOS you can writing a specific platform wise code. Yeah, we are also the using a third party library React Native. I think orientation. So orientation is runtime checking key which your landscape. So we can check runtime and we can manage. So basically we are using third party library. There is actually callback logic handle in library. I see also library code. There is callback some feature available. Yeah, basically React Native is three threads. So before I think 2022, before we are using firstly JS thread, native UI thread, and shadow thread. Shadow thread means like the position of the elements. And after that, 2022 is coming to JSI thread, JavaScript interface thread, and serialization UI bridging thread, JS bridging. So React Native to native code is JS bridging we are using for. So before we serialization JSON we are using, but right now hold the write code in C++, communication all the C++. So it's very quickly converted to the native sites. Yeah, basically three threads available. and every thread is different work. So shadow is positions, JS is communication to React Native to native. Yeah. Correct, correct. So see, use callback means like as a specific your state is changing, then specific render is component update. But in case, in case your child component inside some function is calling to parent level and parent level some state is changing, then again your the again child and parent is calling. That time we are using use callback. Yeah, we are also using both scenario, use callback and use memo. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, sure. Native models available. So basically, you writing a iOS side using Objective C in Bridge. iOS side, Objective C and Swift. There is Bridge concept where RCT method you can declare iOS side, and React Native is at the rate React method declare. So that method you can access to the React Native side using the native models. Yeah, we are also the working on the native part. So basically there is requirement create pdf and protected pdf. That time we actually I search more library third party, but there is a pdf creation also available, but protected pdf need not possible. That's regarding I whole write code the native side and communication to the native to React Native. Yeah. No sir, yeah, thank you, nice to talk to you also. Yes, yes, I like GraphQL. Also, GraphQL also though there is two types. So firstly schema firstly and code firstly. Right now I am using code firstly. Is code firstly is better because type ORM we are using with MongoDB. Apollo clients we are communication middleware. React Native also Apollo client, client and server side also the Apollo client. Okay, yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Bye bye.